I'm Galan and welcome to GLC YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna talk about pop sound in pronunciation. As far as I know, there are 8 kinds of pop sound, but now I'm gonna talk 6 of them because the rest is in the National Phonetic Alphabet. But before I get started, do you know what the pop sound is? Jadi pop sound itu bunyi-bunyi letupan yang keluar saat kita baca kata tertentu yang mengandung huruf-huruf tertentu. Nah, huruf-huruf di sini yaitu ada P, K, T, B, D, G. Or you can say P, D, K, T, B, G to memorize it easier. P, D, K, T, B, G. And the sound is okay, the first is P, or a lot of Indonesian people always close their mouth when they say this one. For example, stop, stop, sleep, sleep. But actually, the proper way to pronounce it is stop, stop, sleep, sleep, stop, cup, cup. So don't close your lips. The second is D. When you're saying this one, make a little punch with your tongue, like this. For example, bleed, 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 blind, 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 bad, bad, bad. The third is K. You just have to make a sound like this. For example, black, back, mask, or mask in American way. Mask, mask, ask, ask. So it's not ask. Ask means kapak. Ask or ask in American way. Break. The fourth is T. All you need to do is make a sound like a hi-hat in a drum, like this. For example, first, first. So it's not first, first. You've got to put the sound in the end. First, first. Must, 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 mask, must, mask. Must, mask. See the difference? The next is B. Just make it sound like this. For example, crab, 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 crab. The last is G. Make a deep sound in your throat, like this. G, G, G. For example, dog, 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 dog. Bag, 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 bad, bag, bag, bad, bag. See the difference? Okay, that's all for today. Actually, there are more like ch in match and j in German, but probably I will talk about that later, because those are symbols from International Phonetic Alphabet. Thank you for watching. See you.